Hey, welcome back. I am finally back in the garage working on Temptress. It is Pi Day, March 14th, 2026, and I haven't had a chance to touch this boat in many months. So today I'm going to actually shape a few things. Back in December when I thought I'd have some more time, I did a Zoom call with Dan Lee and had him look at this and give me some advice on the next steps. And the first thing I'm going to focus on here is Dan pointed out to me that he could see I have a high spot right here. So I am going to bring that down. You can see it pretty clearly by eye. I don't know if you'll pick it up on camera or not. I'm going to sand this one down a little bit. I don't want to lose my line. I'm not going to take too much off here because I got a pretty darn good line that I laser leveled right down the boat. I just want to clean this up a little. Yeah, you can actually see I didn't quite cut through the line here that I had sawed, so just a few of these things will have to come off a little. Keeping my line pretty well. I want to go a little bit more on this side. And then I'm going to call that pretty good. I can see the spot still. That's got to come down. All right, in here, I can take a tiny bit more off. Boy, I've kept that line nicely. So, you can hit that spot, we'll be all done. Yep, that is looking good. I think I'm gonna call that good. Nice and fair. To level off these fillets, I like to get a good hand plane and leave it here to remind me how other people would do it. And I put it to the side and I grab a saw. And I'm gonna first just cut these off. And unfortunately, I gotta head to the store because I didn't realize how many teeth I broke off the saw. So epoxy is not good on saw teeth. And I'll move it over on the one in the front here. Okay, so I got that one taken off. And I'm just gonna keep going down the boat. Some of these are actually pretty flat because I got smart later on and I cut them at a proper angle. So now I'm just going to clean these up with a power sander. I broke that blade. Okay, so my saw broke, but I have this, I don't even know what it's called, this vibrating tool. That should do just fine for the roll here. like what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Okay, I cut it a little low, but not terrible. I'll get better at it as I go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great.
And I continued to clean up the fillets on the other side of the boat.
Here at the back of the boat, everything's supposed to be very level and flat. And you kind of you can run a level across all of these. And you can see everything lines up pretty darn well on this until you get to the back here. And for whatever reason, my transom is just a little bit high. So I drew a line where that's got to be, and you can see that my transom skin here, this plywood, is oversized. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this transom skin to be parallel to the curved transom that I laminated together. And it's all plywood, so this is not good for hand planing at all. And then I'm going to take the sander to kind of smooth all of this out. So that's what you'll see me do next. I'm going to be honest, I don't know the best way to do this. But if you're watching this channel, you already know that I don't know the best way to do this. But here I go. I'm just trying to follow this line here is all I'm trying to do. Well, it worked okay. Not all of my ideas are terrible. I let it run up a little bit, but not too bad. Kind of like the way that worked. And I'll come do the other side as well. As I kind of walk through here, what you'll see is that I don't have a lot of space to get through, so I'm just kind of squeezing through here. And then I gotta have to move the boat over to get around. And now you can see I'm going to take off the other side.
Till next time, cheers.